Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Lisa here at American Eagle Harley-Davidson. What's happening? It is our Let's Effin' Ride weekend going on here at American Eagle. Come on out, take a test ride, take an effing test ride on everything we have in the dealership. We have new bikes, we have pre-owned bikes, we have a whole showroom full of bikes just waiting to be taken out on the road. You know what's going to happen if you take a ride on a new 2025 Harley? You are going to be able to get qualified for this kick-ass t-shirt for free, limited edition. So come on in, take your test ride, get signed up, and get your free t-shirt. Also, they have the Meet Your Match event going on right now. Not only are you going to get an exclusive t-shirt, you can register to win that 2025 Tri-Glide. So this is going on through the end of September. What else has started? Rolling Texas. That's right. Lone Star Rally is new this year for the Rolling USA campaign. So you know what can happen is you can win a trip to the Lone Star Rally. I personally have not gone since 2014 and would love to be able to go. So I might be joining you this year. So come on out, get registered. It started today. What you can win is a 2025 Breakout. This bike is freaking kick-ass. Check this out. Isn't that a beauty? So come on in, get registered. We'll have our weekly keywords. Also keep in mind your keywords, when you enter your keywords for the Rolling USA campaign, they're also the same keywords for the Meet Your Match. So makes it a whole lot easier. All we want you to do is come in, register, and have a chance to win. So again, everything's always happening here at American Eagle Harley-Davidson. Come on out, check out our construction. Yes, we are still open. Come out, take a test ride, and we will see you when you get here.